Alrighty, Monkey Meadow, black border. Let's show you. We're gonna start off with our boomerang right here. It's a cool boomerang strategy. Now, put him on faster throw. We're gonna switch hands, make sure he's on his left hand. Put him on last. You should be able to beat round 6 and 7. Now, round 8. You're gonna want to switch hands the moment you see the greens after the red balloons. I'll show you what I mean. See, because the greens come out here, but then the reds come here. So then you'll see a green, switch. This allows him to hit every green balloon. Just so that they're down, and then you're gonna switch back once they come over here, and then you should beat the round. Round 9, I mean, requires micro sometimes. Apparently it's RNG. There was one round when I beat the round and then without using it, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So I'm gonna leave it on last. And I'm only gonna put it on first once any balloons leak by. We'll play it slow. So far it seems like it's doing its job. There we go. But that doesn't always happen, apparently. But now round 10 is here. We can place striker down. We're gonna put him right here so it's in the range of the boomerang, but map coverage is important. Nope, leave him on last. And this should get you a couple of rounds perfectly. Now, round 14's here. Let's upgrade him. That should be able to beat round 14. No problem. Last is the best targeting for here. It just hits the whole area beautifully. We're gonna buy the glaive ricochet, and then we're gonna continue going. It's actually going to be the ninja monkey, as bottom right as possible in this corner. I'm gonna upgrade him. This should last you all the way to 35 actually. But we're just gonna get it early. Now we're gonna get the flash bomb. You actually don't need the flash bomb for that. A striker can take it out just fine. Well, this is just to be safe. Should be fine here. Now we're gonna buy an alchemist. Enough to be in the range between the boomerang and the ninja, obviously. We'll get him to berserk the brew. At 3-2. This is important for this Moab that's about to come in. Easy. Okay, now round 40, when this blip comes in, we want to hit it on the first intersection, enough so we're hitting it, and then we're going to use the second the second striker ability as soon as we can. And that should just be barely enough. Barely enough to beat it. I feel like we can get Sticky Bomb. Let's get Sticky Bomb. Just so that he can take out the Moabs real fast, and then the Glaive Lord can clean up pretty well. And now we have our Glaive Lord. And that's almost GG's. Easy game. Alright, now we just save up for our other Master Bomber. First we're going to upgrade him to primary mentoring. Because why not? Now we just save up for the Master Bomber. That should be pretty easy. Glaive Lord, nothing's getting through the Glaive Lord. He'll even take off the ZOMG. Easy peasy. This is such a cool tower. He has the right purple and just 3 glaives like boomerangs going around him. That is so cool to me. Like, you cannot tell me that that's not the coolest 5th tier. That is so cool. He's got that V on him, kind of makes him look like, you know, that one episode of Teen Titans where he was like, when Robin turned into like Red X. Gives you that kind of vibe. Or you know what? Toy Story, the robot, the I am your father. Buzz Lightyear. Literally looks like him from the top. That's just me though, ranting. Pairs well with everything. You can't go wrong with my boy. I just wish they nerfed the pricing on Perma-Brew, the permanent brew, just so I can utilize it more. I think it'd be cool. I think it'll open up a lot more new strategies if they nerf the price. But then again, it does make everything more powerful, so I understand why they do it. Stoppable. Would you look at that? We can afford Master Ball. Easy. Now, we're actually gonna Shinobi stack it. Just so that I can hit all. We wanted to be able to hit every DDT. So 3 is good enough. Now 90 is here. DDT should be able to show up. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. It didn't even get through. I actually don't know what's going on. Let me see. Maybe it takes 1 Sabo and a tactic. And we'll Sabo if something leaks past through the gate, the Glaive Lord. So we want to watch. We want to watch. Wow, really? One more Shinobi tactic is all it took. So for round 95, all you have to do is get another Shinobi tactic, and that's really all you need. It needs to be 4 stacked just to hit every DDT. That's crazy how the tactics make a huge difference every time he's stacked up, which kind of makes me want to give him one more just to be safe. So round 95, make sure you have at least 4. And just don't make my mistake. Then you should be able to black border, just like I have. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why. I felt like in a previous run I was able to do it, but I guess not. I think it's because this is on strong. Little Sabo right there. I think you probably needed it, to be honest. Now, since Striker's at 20, this should be able to do everything. Easy peasy. And that's GG's. GG's, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Just do that little fixing on round 95 and then you should black border it. Just like this. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm out. Peace.